Once there was a young man named Ali. He was sincere in his faith and avoided anything that could lead to sin. But one day, while scrolling through social media, he noticed a classmate's post. It was harmless at first, just a like on her picture. Over time, their interactions grew. A comment here, a reply there, and soon they started chatting regularly. Ali told himself, "It's just friendly, there's nothing wrong." Little did he know this was the first step in Shaitan's trap. As the days passed, Ali's conversations with his classmate became more personal. They started sharing their feelings and spending more time chatting. Ali's prayers began to feel rushed, and he found himself thinking about her more than his faith. Shaitan whispered, "You're not doing anything wrong. It's just friendship." But in his heart, Ali knew he was drifting. One day, his older brother noticed his distracted behavior and asked him what was going on. Ali hesitated, but finally shared everything. His brother reminded him of a hadith. When a man and a woman are alone, Shaitan is the third. He explained how Shaitan works step by step, making small sins seem harmless until they grow into bigger ones. Ali realized how far he had strayed. Ali decided to take control. He stopped the chats, unfollowed her on social media, and made dua for Allah's guidance. It wasn't easy, but he felt a weight lift off his heart. He focused on his salah and sought knowledge about maintaining halal boundaries. Ali learned that protecting himself from Shaitan's whispers required constant vigilance and reliance on Allah. Ali's story shows us how Shaitan works gradually, turning small actions into major sins. By staying mindful and connected to Allah, we can resist these traps and protect our hearts and faith. Have you or someone you know experienced a similar struggle? Share your thoughts or lessons in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and watch our next video on staying steadfast in your faith. Remember, with Allah's help, you can overcome any challenge.